Okay, we're going to show you today how to get to your grammar lessons. So you need to come into your Language Arts block and you click on your lessons right there. On where it says click here, you scroll all the way down to the bottom and you have this week's May 3rd to the 7th. You have to choose 1 hour, so you can either do spelling and grammar or just the short research essay. If you do your spelling, if you click on spelling, you can take your pre-test here, and when you click here, you will have your words will pop up and you can self-correct and come up with your words. You write each one 3 times. That's on the honor system. And on Friday, on the bottom here, you submit your 10 sentences in the text box when you hit submit your assignment. If you choose your grammar is kind of fun this week. We're using comparative and superlative adjectives. You click on it. There are 2 videos in it. When you come down, you watch the video lessons here, and what will happen is you'll pop up onto Khan Academy, and when the movie pops up, I'll show you right here, you can watch this one, and then right over here there's a second one. You're going to watch both of them, and then if you'd like to take the practice, you can practice here. You don't have to do these 2 down here, but there's a practice here before you take my quiz. When that is done, go back to my quiz that is here, and you're going to take the quiz on the bottom. And what will happen is when you click on take the quiz, you'll have questions like this pop up, and then you're going to figure out which one of these will go into the blank and fill in there, and then that will be graded to me. After you answer it, your answers will pop up. If I go back to my modules, back to your assignments, the last one is a short research essay. We are doing short research essays. I'm trying to make short and fun, sweet, creative writing lessons. You need to watch this introductory video first. It's about, is technology making our world better or worse? I picked this for a very timely subject for us right now. You have to pick a side. You're going to write a 5-paragraph essay on it. Is the technology making our world better or worse? I want you to research at least one claim or one fact that you can come up with from someone else's point of view and include that into your essay. You're going to research what technology is doing, and some scientists, have been some research that has been done by scientists telling them what technology is doing to our brains and doing to our social life and doing to our families and doing to our schools, and some of it's positive and some of it's negative. So you need to go dig up and find that research, come up with at least one of those to stick somewhere into your essay. This video will give you some more ideas on how to do that. If you have any questions, make sure you email me. And those are your assignments. So you're either going to pick the spelling and the grammar, that's 1 hour, or you can do this essay, and that is the other hour, or you can be the Language Arts all-out genius and do it all. Hope you have a good week. Make sure that's all in by Friday. I can't get to the stop button. There we go.